Hello guys, welcome back to my channel. So let's discuss today's about hiring. Okay, so currently Qualcomm is hiring for the associate engineer and the location is Hyderabad. So let's discuss what all the responsibilities. Okay, so here this associate engineer role in software test engineering involves hands-on work with a real-world tech. Key duties include design and execute test cases for embedded software, cloud services, and applications. Develop scripts in C, C++ for automation and debugging on Linux ARM system. Collaborate on system level testing for 5G devices, modems, and edge computing. Okay. Troubleshoot issues in low level software, kernels, and hardware software integration. Contribute to innovation project propelling systems to new levels of efficiency. Okay, so this is the responsibility. Eligibility criteria Qualcomm is targeting freshers and professionals with 0 to 1 plus years of experience. Okay. So here BE, BTech, BSc in computer science, EC or related field 2024, 2025 and 2026 batches are eligible. Strong fundamentals in data structures, operating systems, computer architecture and C programming. Skills in embedded software, C, C++, Linux kernel and ARM based system and excellent problem solving, analytical skills, and teamwork ability. So, this is the eligibility. Okay, so exposure to cloud edge tech, RF digital communication, or test automation. This is preferred. Okay, benefit why you should choose Qualcomm, like competitive salary plus performance bonus, you will get comprehensive health insurance, tuition reimbursement, and mentorship programs. Work life balance with flexible hours and global impact projects, career growth in a collaborative environment with industry leaders. So, how to apply for this? So, you have to go to the official page of the Qualcomm, and from there you can apply for this job role. Okay. Next update is from the Barclay, and Barclay is hiring for the data business analyst role, and the location is the Pune. Okay, so here let's discuss what all the experience required. So, hands-on experience in modern data analytics platforms and reporting data warehouses. Deep understanding of data warehousing principles with hands-on knowledge on scalable data ingestion techniques through secure pipelines. Ability to perform business and data analysis alongside working with technology colleagues, developers, and business stakeholders. And working experience on agile methodology like Scrum, Kanban, or any other agile framework. And working experience of using Python for data analysis or profiling. Okay, and ability to translate business requirements into technical stories, solid written and verbal communication skills, and the ability to be proactive, a team player, and having a can do attitude. Okay, so this is the requirements here. So if you are good fit for this opportunity, so please go and apply for this. Next update is from the Ksolves. Okay, so basically they are looking for the QA professionals. Okay, so here important notice those who are on the notice period can join immediately or within a week maximum. Okay, so open position here is a QA manual for the fresher. It's a 3 to 6 months of corporate experience. Okay, and the senior QA manual here 3 to 6 years of experience required. Okay, and QA automation engineer 3 to 6 years of experience. So this is the open position. Requirements like a strong communication skills and ability to interact directly with clients, passion for quality and detail, and the location is Pune, Noida, and Indore. Hybrid working culture will be there. So those who are interested, they can just send a mail by with your resume with this email ID like mohit.kumar@ksolves.com. So please go and apply for this. Okay, that's all for today. If you like this video, so please like, share, and subscribe my channel. Thanks for watching.